Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely day. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be opening up a box and the box for today is this one right here. This is the Ricky's Cult Crushes box for the month of February. Before we go ahead and jump into the box, I'll give you guys a little bit of info about it. It is an $11 a month box, so it's not too super expensive, which is great, just a little bit more than either Sephora Play or Ipsy. Inside there's going to be like a mixture. I wanted to say swirling, but that didn't really make any sense. There's gonna be a mixture of stuff that is beauty and like hair care and even sometimes fashion related. We have received several full-size items within this box, which I think is amazing for an $11 box. Plus, if you are a Cult Crushes member, you do get 25% off the Ricky's online website, which is also really cool. And even if you're not a Cult Crushes member, but you're really cheap like I am, they have a really amazing sale page on their website where you can get things for like less than $1 sometimes. So I'd highly recommend checking that out if you like a good deal. And then also, I'm not sure if I've already said this, my memory is like shockingly bad, but they do have free shipping for this box, I believe, in the United States, so that is pretty cool as well. Ricky's was kind enough to send this my way for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I just want to let you guys know that. So let's go ahead now and bust on into this little box. You guys always tell me to be so careful with these box cutters, and yesterday I will say that I came incredibly close to just snipping off a little bit of my thumb when I was trying to open that little eyeshadow palette that we got in Ipsy. Alrighty, right on top we have some bubble wrap. That's always fancy. And then we have a little card here that'll tell us a little bit about all the items inside, but I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side. Let me go ahead and pull out this little first thing here. So this is from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is the Slay All Day Setting Spray. Ooh, it's in the shade or flavor or something watermelon. That's enticing. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I've only ever tried very few products from Gerard Cosmetics. I think I've tried like a couple liquid lipsticks and maybe like a few tube lipsticks. Actually, interestingly enough, the reason I got into YouTube in the first place was to make a very honest, kind of upset review about Gerard Cosmetics, but that was a long time ago. Alrighty, so here is our little bottle of Slay All Day Setting Spray, and it is nicely pink. I wonder if it does smell like watermelon. Ooh, okay, there is a little bit of a watermelon scent to it, which I like. It feels very like summery and refreshing. I have not put on setting spray today. I typically don't put on setting spray every single day, but I'll go ahead and give this a shot. All right, I sucked it in. It doesn't exactly taste like watermelon, but it does have a nice like light watermelon smell. It also has a pretty good mister as well, so you know, this would be fun to try out. Alrighty, and next in the box we have a little thing here, and this is, oh, okay. This is something that's not exactly anything I've ever received in a subscription box before. Definitely different, very appropriate for the Valentine's Day month. I'm doing this after Valentine's Day, but you know. Okay, so we have two very shiny little pink hearts here, beautiful sequins on them. They look just like stickers, and they basically are, but these are for use when you're wearing like a garment that you might not be able to wear undergarments with. I can't say that I have personally ever used these before. You really don't need them when you wear sweatshirts every single day of your life. Besides today, look at this. This is not a sweatshirt. I can't believe I'm actually not wearing a sweatshirt today. But other than that, like, you know, there's probably more uses for them. They are very pretty, very shiny. I'm sure they're quite sticky, so you can put them on other things. Beautiful. Well, I tried to stick it on the back of my phone to say like you could use it as like a phone decoration or something silly like that in case, you know, you didn't think you're actually gonna get use out of these, but it ended up like completely deforming it, so that didn't work out too well. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get much use out of this one remaining sticky heart, but that is okay. I know a lot of people use these and definitely will get use out of them. I just personally don't ever see myself needing them, but that's just me. Anywho, let's go ahead and move on to the next item in here, which I'm very excited about. It is this right here, which is a full-size eyeshadow palette, and I'm just blown away that they include stuff like this in an $11 box. Like, this is pretty amazing to get in a box like this. And this is from the brand Chi Chi, which I believe is a Australian brand if I'm not mistaken, and this is the Diva eyeshadow palette. I'm really enjoying this outer packaging here. It looks all like Halloween, which makes me super duper happy. Oh, the colors in here look beautiful too. I really enjoy like warm tone colors and stuff like that, and that's what this looks like. Also, this is cruelty free. Very cool. Alrighty, so here's our little palette here, and it has that same kind of like black and orange damask pattern on the outside, which makes me very happy. I'm already like excited for spooky season, and it's a long way away. Ooh, okay, these look super duper pretty. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wish I could math. So we have a 12 pan eyeshadow palette with a mirror, and also there's a little brush down here, and this has kind of like a magnetic closure. The brush itself feels okay. I wish this end over here was a bit more like fluffy for like a blending brush, but then we have a little like pack-in type brush down here. I'm gonna go ahead and do some really quick swatches for you guys and see what these look like. I should have not worn a white shirt today. I don't know what I was thinking, and I already got makeup on it when I was putting my makeup on this morning. Oh wow, okay, that's a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. Those are really pretty. A lot of them look very similar in tone, but it is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. But this is incredibly exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off before I make myself into even more of a mess than I already am. Alright you guys, I'm actually not wearing any eyeshadow right now because I was trying to get ready like in a hurry this morning. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try out a couple of these just to see how they apply on the eye. Alrighty, I have no idea if you guys are in focus like at all whatsoever because I took my glasses off and I can't see more than 3 inches in front of my face. So we'll see how this goes. It's really sad, but I honestly could not see even this close to the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a more blending brush because I don't think that one's gonna do a very good job with blending. And I'm going to use this lightest shade here in the corner and kind of fluff that all over. They don't have shade names on the actual palette, but that's all right. And you probably shouldn't put on eyeshadow after you put on mascara and eyeliner, but that's okay too. And then I think I'm gonna take this shade down in the corner, which is like a really pretty like cocoa red or something like that. I don't know. I'm really bad at explaining colors. I'm also trying to like not get it on my eyeliner, but that's gonna be impossible. It's actually blending on pretty nicely and smoothly. I'm impressed. All right, with that blended on there, I think I'm gonna go into the shimmery shade with this little end of the brush that came with it and just kind of pack that on to this area. Again, trying to avoid my eyeliner. Alrighty, in essence, I thought it would be a good idea to try to put eyeshadow over top of my eyeliner mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this really fast with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and my Monsieur Big by Lancome mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so that might not have been the best application of that eyeshadow ever because I was already wearing all my other eye makeup, but I feel like you could really get some nice looks out of this, especially if you have like the ability to like go in a little bit more with color, because these are actually really pretty and I was surprised how nicely they blended on, so I'm excited to play around with this a little bit more. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get the final thing out of here, which is a whole lot of eyelashes. Wow. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 full sets of eyelashes, wispy natural eyelashes with glue. Oh, that's nice. So these eyelashes actually look pretty good. They're like nice and long and, you know, wispy, and it looks like they have a pretty thin band as well. I'm talking like I know a little bit about fake eyelashes. I don't at all. I really don't know how to put them on. I rarely wear them, as you guys know. It's stuck to the box cutter. Oh, it's the small things that amuse me. So we have our little 5 pairs of lashes here and a tiny little bottle of lash glue. This looks like a very thin lash glue. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this looks like a very like thin liquidy eyelash glue, which I've never actually used before. I typically just use like Duo Lash. Those like 2 times a year that I actually put on false lashes, but I will give these a try. Maybe not today, but at a later time. Alrighty guys, that was everything we got in this month's Ricky's Cult Crushes box, and I'm actually pretty impressed. I really love that we got a full-size palette. I like the little setting spray, the little stickers, they're cool too, and also 5 pairs of eyelashes. I think that's pretty amazing. So overall, I'm very happy, especially since this is only an $11 box. I really don't think I've ever seen like a full-size eyeshadow palette like this, with the exception of like BoxyCharm or something like that. I've never seen one in Ipsy or anything, so this is pretty amazing. So overall, I am super duper happy with this month's box, even the interesting items that came inside. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like this box? Did you enjoy this month? I would love to know all of that down below in the comments. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. Plus, don't forget we have our huge giveaway going on right now. I will link that down below for you guys. And other than that, I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!